everybody has their image on a board, sand it down, and we're going to be making string art out of that. So the first step we're going to do is we're going to take a nail each, hammer it down onto the main point of your image.
So the middle?
Yeah.
Like for me, mine's the bottom of mine.
Oh, my finger!
Yeah.
You don't know how to
Oh no, it's in the table!
key in.
Once you have all your nails on the outlier of your image, you can take the image off slowly so the nails don't fall off.
The nail shouldn't fall off if you nailed it in.
Have your image off your board. You want to take string and then wrap it around all of the outside nails.
It is steel hands at work. I only got one hole.
Oh,
I have none.
I have
I have none.
Sorry, Miss Kellogg.
When you have all of your string on the outer part of the nails, you want to take some string and tie it through the middle and just keep wrapping around.
Throw my hands up and shout.
Come on, come on, come
Come
on.
on now.
Gage, I did this wrong.
What did you do wrong?
Everything. Oh, Matthew.
Oh, it's already tied. No, it's not.
That was my first knot.
Can we get scissors? I need scissors.
Go
Use
get
your mouth to be a man.
That's whoa.
Oh. Once you're done, you tie the knot and then you're finished.